Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agali Wicaksono and today I will give a speech about uniforms. First of all, is uniform a good thing for student? That is the questions that I pick for this speech. Next is, have you ever had to wear school uniforms? Did you love it or you hate it? I'm here today to explain my stance on school uniforms. The first recorded of use standardized dress in education may have been in England in 1220, when the Archbishop of Canterbury mandated students wear a robe-like outfit called the capa clausa. The origin of the modern school uniform can be traced to 16th centuries England, when the improvised charity children attending the Christ Hospital boarding school wore blue cloaks reminiscent of the cassocks by clergy, along with the yellow stockings. As of September 2014, students at Christ Hospital were still wearing the same uniforms, and according to the school, it is the oldest school uniform still in use. When Christ Hospital survived the student in 2011, then 95% fought to keep the traditional uniforms. In this modern day, some schools are trying their best to remove the concept of wearing school uniforms, but we have to remember that there are various important things related to the significance of school uniforms that still hold many special values even today. I believe that having school uniforms will be a good thing for multiple reasons. As I mentioned before, uniforms are very beneficial for multiple reasons. The first one is how dress code issues are completely eliminated through uniforms. School uniforms make students feel equal. The worst thing that could happen at school is that if you identify who are the rich student and the who are not, you will treat them differently. Although you didn't realize that, then the poor students who know your unkind behavior might feel uncomfortable, miserable, and disappointed. They don't have any encouragements to study hard, and they might have been bad student, be very bad student. But 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 if students are required to wear school uniforms, you won't recognize who is rich or who is poor. Everybody will give them opportunities equally. Besides that, uniforms help poor students feel more comfortable when they study with other students at school. There is no difference between them. They can develop their friendship and they will focus on their study. Students are sometimes left out or even teased if they are unable or unwilling to pay the dress, the way the popular students are dressing. Requiring students to wear school uniforms levels the playing field by reducing the implied class status that is created when only certain students can buy the most expensive clothes. When children wear a uniforms, as well as gain a sense of pride, schools often report improved disciplines and concentrations. Wearing a uniform set a boundary by placing a pupil in a working environment mindset and help them spread their home and school life. School uniforms place these children on a level playing field, reducing the pressures to wear the latest fashion brands. In 2018, some researchers conduct a series of focusing group with participants from year 7 and year 9 to get the inside views of on uniform. They found out that many participants choose to remain in their uniforms outside of school to complete homework. Most children explain that it helps them to stay focused whilst they work, keeping them in the school mindsets. While non-uniforms may be exciting, our researchers found that participants view them as non-work day, and teachers reported the drop in behavior standard as a result. The next beneficial is wearing a school uniform can encourage some students to take their responsibility more seriously. If they wear the same clothes to school that they wear when they go to the mall with their friends, they may have the same laid back attitude in the both place. Wearing work clothes to the school can change the students' frame of mind and inspire a more serious attitude focused on studying. School uniforms can also lessen the negative effects of class tattoo. In some school, you are only popular if you are wear the latest fashions and trends. They can learn to respect the rules and policies of the school by loving and respecting the uniforms, and also help them in realizing their dignity, and also to earn the trust of carrying out the long-lived reputations of the school with various dignified and good activities and disciplines attitude as well. Wearing or using respectable school uniforms also ensure that the student will be ready in many ways to develop proper and good sense of belonging and love for the school where they are attending and studying. The third behaviors of wearing a school uniform is school uniforms can reduce fighting among students and prevent outsiders from being able to get into the school undetected. School uniform reduce violence and bullying and prevents gang member from forming in school. In a 2013 survey by the National Association of Elementary School Principal and Uniform Manufacturer (LANS), it was proven that 86% of school leaders have said school uniform make a significant impact on peer pressures by pro-cons headlines, and another 64% said uniforms are reducing bullying. Another case in the school districts is where the first school to enforce the uniform policy 5 years after the policy 5 years after the policy was enforced, and overall crime rate dropped by large 86%. Member violence is become more prevalent in school around the country. Sometimes fights can start over someone wearing a wrong color or gang member symbol. Based on my experience that I had from elementary school to high school, there are always some group of students that wear the same item among the group members. People from outside the group that wear those items can be target of bullying because of that items. These items sometimes is a small accessory or just some random item, and people can be bullied because of that. The slight difference in uniforms can trigger bullying. How about some big difference in uniforms? It can cause more big trouble for the student. A student of their age lack of emotional control, so a small thing can cause a big trouble. So wearing a uniform is one of the best way to prevent bullying among the student. And this is my last statement for my speech is there is a lot of controversy over whether or not school uniform should be required. However, when you look at the facts, you will see that there are many benefits to student to wearing the same thing to school. Students might take school more seriously, teasing and violence can be decreased, and you may even save some money. When all the children of the school carry and try to love and respect their school uniforms, then there cannot be any disgrace for the school or teacher. As you can see, school uniforms produce more pros rather than they do cons. But uniforms are proven to save families money and reduce bullying and violence in school environment. So now you have it. I'm hoping by now you realize the beneficial side of this large scale debate, and you can see how school uniforms policies are much more needed. Therefore, in my opinion, I think school uniform should be required. I think that's all for my speech. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.